Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about some tweezer mistakes to absolutely avoid. That's right, in this video I'll be going over 5 tweezer mistakes, and you should avoid these at all costs because they're not good. They're mistakes. Simple as that. We're going to keep this video short, sweet, and straight to the point, so please pay attention. Starting off with number one. Number one is tweezing in bad lighting. You want to make sure that you are in good lighting when you are tweezing. Okay, when you're using tweezers, make sure you have good lighting. Tweezing in bad lighting is a mistake and it should be avoided, plain and simple. Just simple as that, okay? Moving on to the next one, which is number two. Number two is over plucking. That is a mistake. And always keep in mind that removing less is better. Okay, over plucking is definitely a mistake. If you are plucking hair and you pluck too much hair, that is a mistake. Over plucking is a mistake. Okay, always keep in mind the fact that removing less is better. Okay, you can remove less hair. That's a good thing. And then if you realize, I should pull out a few more hairs, I should pluck out a few more hairs, then go ahead and go back and do that. But removing less is better. Okay, you should always remove less. Keep in mind removing less. Okay, and then you can always go back and take out more if you feel the need to in the future. Okay, over plucking is a mistake and you should avoid it. Moving on to the next one, which is number three. Number three is pulling hairs in the wrong direction. Okay, that's the mistake. And always remember to pull in the hair growth direction. That's what you should do instead. So yeah, pulling hairs in the wrong direction is a mistake. It can do a whole bunch of negative things in terms of your skin and your hair and blah, blah, blah. It's just a simple mistake that you should avoid. Always remember when you're plucking out hairs, pull in the hair growth direction. So just for instance, if your hair is growing in this direction over here and you want to pluck out some of the hair that's growing in this direction, you should pluck out in the hair growth direction, the same direction. So if the hair is growing like this, I should be plucking out like that in the same way. Hair is growing this way, pluck out the same way. Okay, very simple. I'm not a professional, but this is just based on the research that I've done and what I do. I don't really pluck my hair often, but I used to. I don't do it anymore, to be honest with you. But I used to sort of care more about this hair in between here. I'd pluck it out. I haven't plucked it out in a very long time, to be honest with you, probably years. But anyways, it's just a, rule of thumb. Now, sometimes the hair is growing like straight out. That's a different story. You can pull straight out. But if the hair is growing in a certain direction, you should pull in the hair growth direction. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so take what I say with a grain of salt, but it's just my best understanding of it. And based on the research that I've done, my experience with tweezing and plucking hair and so on and so forth, and just, general common sense, these are the things that I've sort of thought of and the list that I've created. But like I said, I'm not a professional, so take what I say with a grain of salt. Anyways, moving on to the next one, which is number 4. Number 4 is not cleaning the tweezers. That is a mistake. You should avoid it. Not cleaning your tweezers is a bad thing. When you use your tweezers, make sure they're clean. Make sure they're clean before you use them and make sure they're clean after you use them. Simple, right? So like if you clean them after you use them, then the next time they should be clean, they should hopefully be clean before you use them the next time, okay? So always keep that in mind. I'm not saying necessarily to clean them twice. You might have to clean them twice, before and after, depending on your situation. But if you clean them after you use them properly and you dry them properly and so on and so forth, then hopefully they'll still be clean before you use them the next time, hopefully. But use your judgment, and yeah, not cleaning tweezers is definitely a mistake. Last on this list is number 5, and number 5 is using bad tweezers. And that's it. Using bad tweezers is the mistake. You have to avoid it. Plain and simple, okay? I'm not saying you got to buy the best tweezers on the market. That's not what I'm saying. But there are good tweezers and there are not so good tweezers. Using bad tweezers will be frustrating. It will be frustrating for so many reasons. And yeah, it's a mistake you should avoid. Plain and simple. Use tweezers that are good enough. Like I said, I'm not saying get the best tweezers ever. No, just use tweezers that are good enough. Okay? Keep that in mind. That's how to avoid the mistake, is by using tweezers that are good enough. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.